All right, hi everybody. Okay, so today I'm making bread pudding. Um, these are my ingredients. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Well, not the pickles back there. I'm not using that. That's just sitting there. All right, so you'll see how I make New Orleans style bread pudding. All right, so I have 6 eggs in the bowl already. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my brown sugar, a little bit of white sugar, and cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. And of course the bread. All right, so first I went ahead and whisked my eggs. Then I will go ahead and pour in 3/4 of a half gallon of milk. All right, so I'm gonna whisk the eggs and the milk like so. Now I'm gonna put in my sugar. All right, so added my brown sugar in here, as you can see. Okay, now I'll add some white sugar. All right, so now I'm adding some white sugar, and I'll go ahead and whisk that. Add a little more. Some butter, okay, and then I'll whisk that as well, okay. So we currently I have 6 eggs. I have brown sugar, white sugar, and softened butter. All right, next I'm putting in a half tablespoon of vanilla, regular vanilla, and a half tablespoon of flavored vanilla. I'll go ahead and whisk that. It smells good already, guys. I'm the only one in here that eat bread pudding, so I'm just going to make some for my friend who gave me the loaves of bread, and my sister and possibly cousins, so basically just give most of this away. All right, next I'm putting in a half tablespoon of cinnamon. Next, some nutmeg. All right, I'm also going to pour in 1 can of pet milk. I shook it already and opened it. So I'm going to pour that in, all of it. Okay, and I'll go ahead and whisk that as well. All right, so I'll start to just kind of put the bread in. Just take it out of the bag. You can see how I cut the bread. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in a little one at a time like this. Okay, until I get them all in. All right, and then I'll just kind of whisk it as I put a few in, and just kind of press it down with the whisk. Okay, and I'll add some more. Okay. All right, so this is how it looks once I have just kind of smashed it around with my whisk. Okay, now I'll add the raisins. So I have these raisins. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in. All right, and I'll probably pour in all of it. Okay. All right. All right, once the raisins are in, go ahead and mix it up. Oh gosh, I dropped some on the floor. I'll sweep it up later. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just do like this. All right, until it's all mixed up. All right, and you can kind of taste it once you mix everything up. See if it's sweet enough for you. If it's not sweet enough, go ahead and add a little more sugar, whatever it is that you want. Okay. All right, so almost done. Next, I'll go ahead and oil the pan with some olive oil and put it in the oven. All right, so this is how it looks once it's all mixed up. All the ingredients are in. I've already kind of whisked it, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it in the pan. Remember, I've already greased my pan with some olive oil cooking spray. All right, so this is how it looks before it goes in the pan. I have 3 pans. I separated because I'm just going to go ahead and, and just give my sister and my friend an entire pan. All right, so this is how it looks before it goes in the oven. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. It smells so good. All right, so this is the final look. Gosh, it smells so good, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and plate it right now, so you'll be able to see that in a minute, okay? All right. Mmm.